Hello, my dear students. Welcome to IKSR chemistry classes. Here we are in lecture number 2 on nuclear chemistry. In this video, we will discuss nucleides and their relationships. First of all, we will see what is a nucleide. The atom of an element or the nuclear species having a specific number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus is called nucleide. It means the nucleide is a nuclear species which is characterized by a specific number of protons and neutrons in it. The nucleide is denoted as follows: X, Z, A. Here X is the symbol of the element whose atom or nucleus is being considered. Z is atomic number, that is number of protons in the nucleus, while A is mass number and it is equal to the sum of neutrons and protons present in the nucleus. Let us subtract Z from A, that is A minus Z. We have already seen that A is equal to N plus Z. Therefore, A can be written as N plus Z minus this Z. Z will be cancelled out and the result is N. That is, if we subtract atomic number from mass number, we get the number of neutrons. A radioactive nuclide of carbon. The radioactive nuclide of carbon is represented here. It is C with atomic number 6 and mass number 14. The atomic number of carbon is fixed. It is not a variable. Carbon means its atomic number is 6. Here 6 is understood and therefore it can be written as C14 or in this form. This is the simplest and most convenient process method to represent a nucleide C14. It is called radiocarbon. The radioactive nuclide of carbon is called radiocarbon. It contains 6 protons and 14 minus 6, that is 8 neutrons in the nucleus. C14 is a nuclide of carbon characterized by the presence of 6 protons and 8 neutrons in the nucleus. It is radioactive and hence it is also called radiocarbon. Now the term isotopes. The atoms or the nucleides having the same atomic number Z but different mass numbers, that is A, are called isotopes. And isotopes means having same position in the PT. The nucleides having the same atomic number but different mass numbers are called isotopes, and the isotopes have the same position in the PT. We already know that the elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic number in the periodic table. And since the isotopes have the same atomic number, they will have the same position in the PT. Let us see example of isotopes. See carbon with atomic number 6 and mass number 12. It is another atom of carbon with atomic number 6 and mass number 14. These two atoms, these two nucleides have the same atomic number 6 but different mass numbers 12 and 14 respectively. It contains 6 protons, 6 electrons, and number of neutrons is 12 minus 6, that is 6. This nuclide contains 6 protons, 6 electrons, and 8 neutrons. These two nucleides have the same atomic number but different mass numbers. That is different number of neutrons in the nucleus, and hence these are called isotopes, which means having the same position in the PT. These two nucleides have position same in the periodic table. They belong to group 14 and period 2 of the periodic table. Isotopes of hydrogen. There are 3 isotopes of hydrogen, and in this case the isotopes have different names and different symbol. It is not true in the case of isotopes of other elements. Let us see the isotopes of hydrogen. All of these isotopes of hydrogen have the same atomic number 1, but they differ in mass number. Here mass number is 1, here mass number is 2, and here the mass number is 3. All will have the same number of protons, 1 in the nucleus, and same number of electrons, 1 in the extranuclear region. The number of neutrons, that is A minus Z, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Here the number of neutrons is 2 minus 1, that is 1. And in this case, the number of neutrons is 3 minus 1, that is 2. This is protium, deuterium, and tritium. Their symbol H, D, and T. Here also, tritium is radioactive. There are 3 isotopes of hydrogen: protium, deuterium, and tritium. Features of isotopes. The isotopes differ in the number of neutrons in the nucleus. They have the same number of electrons and hence the same number of valence electrons. The isotopes have similar chemical properties. The chemical properties of an element depend on the electronic configuration, that is number of valence electrons. Since the isotopes have the same electronic configuration and the same number of valence electrons, they have similar chemical properties. However, the isotopes may differ in the rate of reaction. May differ, not certainly differ. And this is called kinetic isotope effect or simply isotope effect. The isotopes have different physical properties due to their different masses. These are the characteristic features of isotopes. Let us illustrate these characteristic features of isotopes taking some example. Sodium reacts with ordinary water, liberating hydrogen gas with the formation of NaOH. Sodium reacts with heavy water also. Water containing heavier isotope of hydrogen is called heavy water. It is represented by D2O. Sodium reacts with heavy water, forming NaOD and liberating D2 gas. Similar reactions are taking place with normal water and ordinary water. of sodium. H2 reacts with Cl2 forming HCl. Similarly, D2 reacts with Cl2 forming DCl. The isotopes of an element have similar chemical properties. However, they may differ in the rate of reaction as illustrated below. C6H6 benzene reacts with conc H2SO4 at a fast rate forming benzene sulfonic acid. But if protium atoms of benzene are replaced by deuterium, we get deuterated benzene D6 at C6D6. C6D6 is nothing but deuterated benzene. It reacts with conc H2SO4 slowly forming C6D5SO3H. Here, two isotopes of hydrogen, protium and deuterium, differ in the rate of reaction, and this is known as kinetic isotope effect. However, the isotopes of an element may exhibit the same reactivity in a chemical reaction. For example, the nitration of benzene does not exhibit kinetic isotope effect. C6H6 and C6D6 are equally reactive in nitration reaction, but in sulfonation reaction, these two differ in the rate of reaction, and it is known as positive isotope effect. Let us consider the physical properties of isotopes H2, D2 and T2. These are diatomic molecular species of protium, deuterium and tritium. Their boiling point increases in this direction due to increase in molecular mass. The isotopes have different physical properties due to their different masses. And now the term isobars. The nuclides or the atoms having different atomic numbers but the same mass number are called isobars, which means having same weight. The atoms having different atomic numbers but the same mass number, that is same weight, are called isobars. Isobars means having same weight. Let us exemplify it. Carbon with atomic number 6 and mass number 14, and here we have nitrogen with atomic number 7 and mass number 14. These two have different atomic numbers 6 and 7 but same mass number, that is same weight, and hence these are called isobars. It contains 6 protons, 6 electrons and 8 neutrons. Here 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. This atom contains 7 protons, 7 electrons and 14 minus 7, that is 7 neutrons. These two nuclides C14 and N14 have different atomic numbers but same mass number, and hence these are isobars, that is having same weight. The isobars have no fundamental particles in equal number. These two isobars differ in number of protons, in number of electrons, as well as in number of neutrons also. The isobars have no fundamental particles in equal number. There is another term, isotones. The nucleides or the atoms having different atomic numbers and different mass numbers, but the same number of neutrons in their nuclei are called isotones, which means having same number of neutrons. Let us see it again. The atoms or nucleides having different atomic numbers, that is different value of Z, and different mass numbers, that is different values of A, but the same number of neutrons in their nuclei, that is the same difference between A and Z, are called isotones, which means having same number of neutrons. Let us illustrate with an example. C14 and O16. It contains 6 protons, 6 electrons and 14 minus 6, that is 8 neutrons. This one contains 8 protons, 8 electrons and 16 minus 8 neutrons. These two atoms, these two nucleides have different atomic number 6 and 8 and different mass number 14 and 16, but the same number of neutrons. Both have 8 neutrons in the nucleus, and hence these are isotones. The isotones have different atomic number and different mass number, different Z, different A, but the same difference between A and Z, that is same number of neutrons in their nuclei, are called isotones, which means having same number of neutrons. And an interesting term, isodiaphers. The nucleides or atoms having different number of neutrons and different number of protons in their nuclei, but the same difference between them are called isodiaphers. Let us see it again. The nucleides having different N and different Z, but the same difference between N and Z are called isodiaphers. The nucleides or atoms having different number of neutrons and different number of protons, but the same difference between them are called isodiaphers. Let us see it with an example. U-238 and thorium-234. It contains 238 minus 92, that is 146 neutrons. Here also the number of neutrons is 234 minus 90, that is 144. The number of neutrons is different. It contains 146 neutrons and it contains 144 neutrons. U-238 has 92 protons, while thorium-234 has 90 protons. These two nucleides have different number of neutrons and different number of protons in their nuclei, but their difference, that is N minus Z, is 54 here and here also 54. The nucleides or the atoms having different number of neutrons and different number of protons in their nuclei, but the same difference between them are called isodiaphers. And nuclear isomers. The nucleides having the same number of protons and the same number of neutrons, but different amounts of energies are associated with them, are called nuclear isomers. The nucleides having the same number of protons and the same number of neutrons, but different amounts of energies are associated with them are called nuclear isomers. Let us illustrate with a diagram. Uranium 238 having atomic number 92 is radioactive. It emits an alpha particle forming thorium nucleus with mass number 234. This nucleus has slightly higher energy than normal condition. It emits excess energy in the form of gamma ray and forms the nucleus of thorium 234 having minimum energy. It is the ground state of thorium 234 nucleus, while it is the excited state of thorium 234 nucleus. It has higher energy, it has lower energy. These two nuclides have same number of protons and same number of neutrons. 234 minus 90, that is 144. It also contains 144 neutrons, but these have different amounts of energies associated with them. It has higher energy, it has lower energy, it is the excited state, it is the ground state, and hence these are nuclear isomers. The nuclides having same number of protons and same number of neutrons in their nuclei, but different amounts of energies are associated with them are called nuclear isomers. It can be illustrated further also. This is excited state nucleus of thorium 234, while it is the ground state nucleus of thorium 234. Let us see. It contains 90 protons in the nucleus. It also contains 90 protons in the nucleus. It has 144 neutrons in the nucleus. It also has 144 neutrons in the nucleus. Same number of protons and same number of neutrons, but it has slightly higher energy while it has slightly lower energy, and therefore these two nuclides, these two atoms which have same number of protons and same number of neutrons but different amounts of energies associated with them are called nuclear isomers. And finally, let us see mirror nuclei. The nuclides in which the number of protons and neutrons are interchanged are called mirror nuclei. The nuclides in which the number of protons and the number of neutrons are interchanged are called mirror nuclei. Let us illustrate with an example. H3 and He3. It contains one proton and two neutrons, 3 minus 1. And He3 contains two protons and one neutron, 3 minus 2. The number of protons and neutrons are 1 and 2. But in this case, the number of protons and neutrons are 2 and 1. These numbers are interchanged. Number of protons is interchanged by number of neutron, and the number of neutron is interchanged by number of protons, and hence H3 and He3 are mirror nuclei. Thank you for watching the video with concentration. Please like and share it. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it so that you may get information regarding my new videos in time. Thank you again.